Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can improve your TikTok video quality by only using CapCut. So this one is pretty easy, but it will make your TikTok video have a better quality, and you can just use this settings. So first, after you import your video, you can just click on it and go to adjust. So you need to set the contrast into 20, then set the saturations of your video also into 20, and this is the last setting. Set the sharpen into 100. Okay, you can see you have a better quality now than before, and after that you can just export your clips, but you can always change the export quality and resolution and also the frame rate if you want. But if you're not, you can just click on the arrow here to download the video and then upload it to TikTok. So that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.